Wait a second. Come on, Wanda. You are a beautiful, alright, you're an exciting woman. I'm sure you can get any man you want.
Yeah, they say there's somebody for everybody, even you.
Oh.